Hello everyone, this rice cooker hack will help you save money, time and energy. Let's cook 2 meals in one go. How does that sound? The rice cooker is a mini wonder, a great cooking tool to have in the kitchen. Why? The pot is always used for cooking rice, and here I am cooking 2 cups of rice for 4 people and 2 lunch boxes. My estimate is half a cup for 1 person, so you can estimate according to how many people you have. This rice cooker is a small, inexpensive one, a wonder tool that has existed for many years. It's really worth it to invest in one. You can start with an inexpensive one or invest in a good brand and it does last for a long time. For each cup of rice, put 1 cup of water. Only 10 minutes to cook the rice and another dish on the top. My name is Sue and I cook for my family of 5 people daily and use all the tricks and hacks in a trade to get the meals done deliciously and efficiently. This cooking hack is a well-known one that many Asian mothers use. Other than rice, you can also cook soup or noodles in the pot. The steam from the rice can cook another dish on the steaming basket. It can be fish, vegetables, meat, and also Asian favorite snack, bao zhi. Comment below if you need me to show you a video on cooking rice. Type RICE in the comment, I'll make the video for you. The steamer basket that comes with the rice cooker can cook another dish effortlessly. As a result, you will have rice and another dish. This is every mother's hack since time immemorial. If your mother does this, let me know in the comment below as well. It's always good to know. Today I'm suggesting steaming some bao zhi on the steaming basket. Bao zhi is steamed buns that you can order at the dim sum restaurant. The white fluffy buns that comes in the bamboo steaming basket. Does this sound like your favorite? Mine too. In fact, bao zhi is the most popular snack in China, Asia, and many parts of Chinatown. Watch till the end to find out where you can easily buy frozen ones to steam in the steaming basket whenever you are cooking rice. I steam 6 char siu bao, meaning buns that is filled with sweet pork slices. For those who are vegetarians, you will not miss out. There are some vegetables buns with sesame paste, taro paste, lotus seed paste, and red bean paste. My favorite too. And surprise, surprise, I even found taro mochi filling. I like the Wei Wei and Cha Cha brand that you can find easily in many Asian supermarkets here. So whenever you go to the Asian supermarkets, buy some and store them in your freezer. Some people do make these buns from scratch, just giving you the shortcuts if you want steamed buns without making them from scratch. So when you cook rice, place a few bao on the steaming basket. You will be as delighted as Kung Fu Panda himself. Rice for dinner, bao zhi for tomorrow's breakfast. I don't have to wake up at 6:30 a.m. now. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe and like buttons. Subscribe for more delicious recipes so you can create nutritious and delicious meals for yourself and your lovely family. My channel aims to help you cook nutritious, delicious, budget-friendly meals. Signing off and see you next week. Let me know if this hack has helped you. See you again next week. Bye!